Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how you can message hide alert on your iPhone. So I show you how you can do it. So if you want to hide message alert, so you should go to message. So I just show you something. Now you see the true movies. There in many messages like Thursday, Friday, Sunday, sometime coming message on the subject true movies. So if you want to hide this alert means notification. If you want to mute, you can't see any notification like that. So if you want to do like this, then you can just tap here hold. Then you can tap on hide alert. You see here it's showing alert icon. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.